Ordinarily, when someone has an injury or a wrongful death case, they hire an attorney who will work off of a contingency fee. A contingency fee means that they don't get paid unless or until they get the client a recovery. The amount charged can vary depending on the attorney. I've seen some attorneys charge and advertise that they only charge a flat 25%. And that's the most money that they'll ever charge, and they'll charge that same amount no matter what. I've seen other lawyers charge and advertise they charge that they charge a flat 40%. So they get 40% of whatever the recovery is, regardless of the amount of work involved. Most personal injury lawyers, however, charge different amount of fees depending upon how far along the case gets. So for example, some lawyers charge a third if they can settle the case without filing a lawsuit. Then if they have to file a lawsuit, the fee goes up to 37%. And if they actually have to go to trial or they get within 30 days of trial, the fee will go up to 40%. The theory behind the increasing fees is that the attorney gets paid more based upon the amount of work they do. So if they're able to get the case settled without filing a lawsuit, there's less work involved, and so they charge a third. However, if they have to actually take your case to trial, a significant amount of work is being done, as well as a significant amount of expenses have probably been advanced. And so the lawyer typically will charge more to go all the way through trial, and that could be as much as 40%. And then some lawyers charge even an additional fee if the case has to go up on appeal. The fee agreement should be in writing, and the client should know exactly what is being charged and how much they're going to be charged. I would say be leery of attorneys who charge a flat fee. And the problem with that is, and even if it's a low flat fee, sometimes you get what you pay for. And the thing I would be worried about is that if they're charging you a low fee, then what is the incentive for them to take your case all the way to trial if that becomes necessary to get you a full recovery? If an attorney takes a low flat fee, my fear would be that they may be looking at trying to just settle the case as quickly as possible because of that way they don't have as much money or time invested in the case. Whereas if you hire attorneys whose fee goes up based upon the amount of work they do, that typically is going to be a fairer way to do it.